Hey! Hey! Hey yo, what's up my Croatian fans? It's a Jamaican friend here again, right? So my previous reaction that I've done on Rim Tim Tigi Dim, I've done exceptionally well. But on this reaction, I'll be reacting to the official video. This is not a Eurovision segment, this is the official music video. Right? So I want to say thank you all so much for the massive support. You guys have shown so much support and I respect it so much. Right? So baby, Lasagna. Bro, that guy is really an incredible guy. He's a very awesome guy. But I react to the official music video now. I'm not really sure what is it like. So just because you guys are here waiting on our next reaction, I'll give you guys just that. Let's see what's up. Let's give this an honest reaction. Without further ado, let's dive in. So one question. You all know Bob Marley? Yes, I think so. Leads to baking. With a cat, oh my wow. This is a properly constructed video. I gotta say, bro. I gotta say, bro. Excellent video. Excellent video. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. And I gotta say, bro, I enjoy it. I'm enjoying so far and I have to continue. Freaking amazing, bro. Freaking amazing. I think they should have a lot more than just liking, commenting, and sharing. He deserves to get a spot on the Billboard chart. He deserves to get a spot to be one of the best music in the entire world, and it is featured on the Billboard Top 10 in Croatia. Wonderful music, my G. Let's continue. Hey, 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 hey. Yo! Jeez! This is an amazing video. The song is freaking awesome. The people, they are so freaking cool, bro. Peace.